Kitten Wars.
I want that nipple. No, I don't want that nipple.
I think they're done fighting.
Oh, we missed it.
Yeah.
Oh, the black one's getting into it now. No, they're not done.
No, they're still trying to get the same one. They're a day
I
old!
want that nipple.
Oh my god, he bit him! Oh no! Oh, he's stuck on his back. I'm gonna help him.
No, he'll get up. Alright, well come on back here. Go find your nipple.
Come on, there's 5 of you and 8 nipples.
It's kicking it out of the way.
I think he's gonna get the same one again. You know there's one under there?
It's like, no, I want this one.
Oh no.
I know one's gonna fight for it.
You
Did
poor
he fall
cat.
off of it?
You poor
That other one
cat.
fell off, didn't he?
Yes, he did.
Alright, little one. He fell off. Go get it. Now they're gonna fight over the lower one.
It's only those two. It's only these two that are so vicious. The big fat one and that little dark one.
Now the other one's upside down.
You poor woman.
Oh, there they go.
I'm sure you're tired. There we go.
But they both find one.
Nope, never mind. We're smelling. It's right there. It's right there. Oh, there we go. Nope, maybe. There we go.